Hey guys, today we're going to do a Stormi inspired look on baby Kai. I first go in with a leave-in conditioner to re-wet her hair, take down some of the frizz. Then once all of that is in, I add some curling cream from Cantu for kids. Just picked it up, and a smoothing brush. I use that for pretty much all of her hairstyles. I work all of that in, just taming the frizz, softening it up. Section out 2 side pieces, one on each side obviously, it doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to split that in half and clip away the top half. This is a lot easier for us because Kai's hair is not very long in the back and it is extra curly in the back. You can hear her. So sometimes when we're doing ponytails, the bottom half just falls out. So this gives us a look of having a ponytail without it falling apart the minute we leave the house or the minute she sits in her car seat and it rubs right out. Then I'm going to use my brush to create a perfect curl by just smoothing it around, twirling it around the brush basically. Then I'm going to repeat the exact same thing up at the top. I like to give Kai stuff to play with while I'm doing her hair. Everyday random things works for her. She's very easily entertained by it. Everyone always asks me how I do her hair and have her sit still. That's it. Alright, now we did the same thing to the top, and that's it. That's her Stormi inspired look. Thanks for watching. Follow us, subscribe, like, all the things. Thanks guys. Bye.